Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Humans at Sirius Star Fused with Service. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr., November 1, 2019. Service at Sirius Star System penetrates deep into the cells of humanity, who had a life stint at her lands. For some of us, the riddle and search for service is solved, at least for awakened beings who have been wondering why they do service for anyone in need if they can be of help. Do not wonder, as service to find some humans who volunteered to live on Earth. The sources of traits, both of light and dark, learned from our incarnated lives in various star systems, as confirmed by the Arcturians, follows. From the Sirius Star System, 8.659 light-years from Earth, service is a trait integrated to self. As when we incarnate at Sirius, we explore service and integrate these traits into our system, become part of us. That defined my lifelong search, answer for my query of my proclivity for service. Pleiades, the Pleiadians, 544.2 light-years away, taught us to teach and heal others. Yeshua, Apollonius Tyanaeus, St. John, and St. Teresa, you are all there to integrate these various themes and aspects of self. Harmony, cooperation and unconditional love together with artistry and beauty are the traits ceded to us in our stint at Pleiades. Yeshua, Jesus' Roman name, concentrated on love of neighbors as he taught love during his lifetime on Earth, a Pleiades trait. The Pleiades star cluster is about 110 arc-minutes in size and has an apparent magnitude of 1.6. It is the easiest star cluster to find in the sky, mainly because of its brightness and size, and it is well known in many different cultures and mythologies. The earliest images of the Pleiades cluster date all the way back to the Bronze Age. The American Indians are known for their innate knowledge of these stars. Arcturus, Arcturians, 36.66 light-years away, preach spirituality, is where we get our desire for and towards spiritual evolution. Call for assistance from Arcturians, at your beck and call, always around you to assist. Source energy, God, is always with you and will always give us a helping hand, anywhere, anytime, as you are a fragment of Source, and Arcturians are primary high-frequency beings delegated by Source to assist us. Orion Cluster, 427 to 1360 light-years away, is where we explored victimhood and oppression. We played roles of oppressor or victim, roles of living and being in darkness. Latin Americans and Filipinos resonate with Orion traits as we are 500 years oppressed, taught the Judeo-Christian ways, and live life of subservience, strong in our consciousness. We Filipinos turned out the new Greeks, explorers, technologists and workers of the world. We still feel victim in our lives wherever we go, abused and mutilated sometimes. Ascended Masters, Yeshua at the 5th, are still on their track to oneness, at the 5th vibrational frequency as we compared with Arcturians now at the 9th vibrational frequency, and leaping to the 10th as we shift to the 5th vibrational frequency. But it does not matter as they look and desire to meet us, as we desire to meet them, both being source energy beings. Orion, many humans incarnate on Earth at the 21st century, are replays of our lives then at Orion, with a combination of Antarian androids, and flying machines, that kill people in multitudes and destroy Earth's resources. But these traits of darkness to light led us to understand the traits of balance, harmony, moderation, and our desire for peace. Minority beings of Orion cluster planets escaped oppression, took flight to Earth and take Earth in vessels as cover, but the oppressors hunted them. Anthropologists' theory of the reptilians and Greys' oppression of our planet was reality. They are oppressors proven by antiquity artifacts and history from Egypt and Iraq libraries, at Alexandria and Nineveh. They are confirmed, but records are destroyed by the dark, the roles of oppression and victimhood at our planet. Look at it the positive way, they are the cause of a faster expansion of consciousness, our trials in the coming shift. Antares, 600 light-years away, is of course an enigma. Take a look at Japan, Germany, USA, the Philippines, where we explore Antares androids, a lot of robotics. We hold competitions to duplicate a human, and convert her prowess to a robot. Our intentions are scientific, the Antarian trait, to eliminate manual, manufacturing and household labor costs, savings in business for profitability to make us enjoy life with less labor. Human efforts are more of science and technology, and what the spiritual is all about is not developed. Archaeologists say the dark altered humans to enslave us for gold mining, agriculture and household work, but we never burst nor blow up. We are a sturdy group of beings. Antares' experience on androids is far worse than us, as they had intelligence, logical or scientific, to the end that they rebelled, resulting again to war, and android rebellion. The desire for balance is again there, be it humanoids or robotics. But we have now these robots at the 21st century human existence, and the moment intellect is embedded on androids on Earth, rebellion can happen, scientific improvement, but peace will be again a pipe dream. By star attunements of transmitters, Andromeda is expansion of consciousness, connection to light and transcendence of ego. Alcyone, uncovering the subconscious mind and hidden truths and connection to the God. Vega star system is a connection to compassion and divine love and the experience of self-love, the traits of saints like the Buddha. Sananda from the heart of divine mind. We marvel at the messages of Arcturians who informed us of our galactic travels, but the real truth is they really activate what we know, and they confirm these facts known to us within. They are keys, openers. Humans lived on this planet, a melting pot of races that bring all these traits into our world, work in progress by Source who are waiting to join the galactic community. Traits and skill cover service to others, intellect, technology, oppression, and victimhood, love and healing, compassion, and transcendence of ego, countless star systems with their inherent traits. But Source Energy's purpose is clear, an integration of experience resulted to very fast expansion of consciousness. That is the key to a fast and accelerated shift that the higher frequency beings are all watching, observing how the experiment worked. These are some reasons why we are a very unique race with all these traits integrated into oneness and wholeness, a major experiment of evolution. Other humans call it unfair, but for Source it is life's balance, a new outlook, like our skin colors of the rainbow tell all. See and compare your skin to black and white and analyze why there are so many races on Earth. We come from various races from the universe. Our movements are observed by high-frequency beings, but are assisted by them all the way. Other stars influence Earth, but we concentrate on these stars sent to us by messages confirming what has been activated within ourselves, Source Energy beings. I express my gratitude to the Arcturians/Daniel Scranton message of October 26, 2019, who said we incarnated in Sirius as galactic beings with a life of service which humanoid lives are encrypted to our whole being with flawless authority from Source. That put to a close an end on my search on service why my physical being act this way. We know at this juncture that all traits are integrated into every cell and systems that accelerate the expansion of consciousness of humanity. We are just telling you what you already know, and it's the confirmation and the synchronicity that you are really responding to. On our return home we focus, meditate and go within, attain inner peace. The desire of the ages is done with pure love and acceptance of who we are, perfect beings that we are, openly sharing to our family and intimate relations, the real you, the real person we are, and thus we are ready for the shift. I accept who I am, life incarnate, a replay of Sirius traits of service. Love and light from Angel V. Ornedo Jr., October 28, 2019. About the author, Angel teaches love, light and field of unity consciousness, assist with other funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates at sea/me and corporations creating jobs, share teachings at universities, boards and associations. Link at ornedo@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Libris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or ebooks and articles at the net.